Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my version of brown stew chicken. While this is not the authentic way that Jamaicans make it, this is my little spin on it, and it tastes amazing. The chicken was falling off the bones. So if you'd like to see how I put this pot of goodness together, then keep watching. Family, so here's everything we're going to use today to make a brown stew chicken. I'll list all the ingredients in the bottom. I'm just going to go through it really quickly. So I have all my vegetables chopped up. I have a tomato here, onion, bell pepper. Then in this plate here I have some fresh ginger, garlic. I have a pepper, and then this is a scallion. Then my seasonings I'm going to use, I have some paprika for color. I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar to that. Then I have Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, have some ketchup, onion powder, browning, garlic powder, some pimento seeds, add some salt. I wanted fresh thyme, but they didn't have any at the store, so I'll just use this one. I have some Jamaican chicken seasoning. I have cornstarch just to help to thicken the gravy, black pepper. I have some vegetable oil, and then I'm going to add a cup of water to this. And then also, I don't have it on the screen, I may or may not add brown sugar to it. I'll taste it and decide, later if I'm going to add that, all right? And now your chicken, I'm going to be using the wingettes. Make sure you wash your chicken. I wash my chicken using lemon, salt, and vinegar. Okay, so now we're going to get to seasoning it. Hey family, I just wanted to pop back in. I decided at the last minute, I have some carrots, like 4 carrots left over, and I don't want them to go bad. So I decided I want to add these also to my So I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of this oil. Okay, so we're going to allow that to get hot. Yeah. So I added about a cup of water to the pan to get the rest of the seasonings out. Okay, so it's done about 25 minutes. This is how it looks. And you notice how it thickened up already? You see? Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of this ketchup. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the brown sugar. So I have this on low, so I'm going to let it simmer for about another 20 minutes. Alright, G Squad. So, a total of 45 minutes later, here we have our brown stewed chicken. Look at that beautiful dark color, brown gravy. It's not too thick and it's not too watery, nice and creamy, just the way I like it. The meat is falling off the bones. So yes, there you have it. So normally, you know, I would always plate my dishes when I'm finished cooking, but however, I'm not hungry. After all the tasting and stuff, and you know, the girl is not hungry, but I did make some brown rice to go with this, and yeah, so here you have it. Okay, brown stewed chicken. So, family, thank you for, oh, okay, so good. Turn this off. So family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you try this recipe, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram, and so I can see and let me know how it came out. But yeah, this concludes the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. You know, like it and share it. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.